Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to fix Face ID not available problem on iPhone. So the first step is to go to your settings and then you're gonna have to simply go to accessibility. After that, you're gonna have to scroll down to Face ID and attention and enable the two first options. Now after that, you're gonna have to go back to your Face ID settings and see if it's available. Now if it's not available, you're gonna have to also make sure to go to general and go to software update, and then you're gonna have to make sure that you have the latest version of iOS. And after that, we're gonna have to download this app which is called Check My Device, and we're gonna have to open it. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply go to sensor and tap on Face ID test. So now we're gonna have to make this test. If this test fails, that means that you have to take your iPhone to the Apple Care and fix the Face ID sensor from your device. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.